What's the meaning of assistant? Assistant. Assistant.
Assistant. Assistant. Assistant refers to a person or tool that helps and supports another person in their job, task, or daily life. An assistant can perform a variety of roles, such as an administrative assistant who manages paperwork, schedules appointments, and communicates with clients, a personal assistant who helps with household tasks, shopping, and travel arrangements, or a digital assistant, an AI-based tool that uses natural language processing to assist with tasks and provide information. Overall, assistants are meant to make a person's life easier and more efficient by providing support and help in various ways.